And so the magic begins here. Hello, everyone. Welcome to your first ever orientation here at Walt Disney Company. My name is Eileen, and I will be presenting on our company's organizational culture. And I will be doing this by focusing on our company's 3 out of 6 important aspects of organizational culture. So, what really makes Walt Disney thrive is our company's organizational culture. And you may be asking yourself, what is company culture? Just like I did when I was in your place. Well, I will tell you what it is so you're not clueless. Um, so, company culture is a set of values, tradition, and habits that influence your motivation and behavior. And these attributes help the employees to maximize their performance while benefiting the company. So, your actions and attitudes and how they benefit us. So here at Walt Disney, we have an organizational culture for excellent entertainment. This is so we can achieve excellence in entertainment products for our guests in various sectors like entertainment, global mass media, and our amusement park industries. In total, there are 6 important aspects of our company's culture, which are innovation, decency, quality, community, storytelling, and optimism. But in today's lecture, we will only be covering the first 3, which are innovation, decency, and quality. So let's get started. The first, we have innovation as our first aspect. It is one of our most major emphasis here at Disney. In this aspect, our intention is to encourage the creative imagination in the company's human resources in order to achieve excellent products and business performance. On the other hand, with innovation being a major aspect, it helps us to address new challenges and business opportunities. Okay, so an example of innovation within our culture is being able to integrate new technologies in already existing or prior technologies or products to fulfill new arising trends in regards to movies related to anything from entertainment products and amusement parks. So a more simpler example of this is the innovation inside the amusement parks, which happens to be the lines. So let's picture the Haunted Mansion. Like you're going through the line, and you start off outside, like the one here in Disneyland. Um, you start off outside and you see the Haunted Mansion. There's a lot to see. You're going through the line, and there you see like the graves, the pet graves, and then all of a sudden there's a bunch of graves on the side, and they have a lot of puns. And then you walk into the mansion itself, and then you're waiting there at the little lobby, and there's interesting things to look at. Then you go into the elevator, another little show that you may have, and you go into the long hallway. You're looking at everything, the picture frames, the lightning, the little statues that follow you around, and boom, you're already getting inside the Doom buggy. And that's what we call innovation, having the customers wait in the line, but having this all interactive items around them, which makes their experience better. So, you know, um, yeah. So let's move on to another aspect of our organizational culture. Decency. So decency is another important factor here at Walt Disney, because we are a family-oriented business. Therefore, our focus should be family-oriented as well. We want to make sure that our company continues to uphold its reputation and brand image. An example of decency within our culture is using our training resources to help motivate you to display decent behaviors, specifically and especially when communicating directly with guests. It's so important to have a decent communication with these guests that come, to enjoy your beings and your work. So it's important to be decent, be positive, be kind in order to get that output. So, like I said, the importance of having decency is to contribute to our excellent, positive reputation, that is connected to our image. And having a positive reputation and good image is a strength in our company and it is a competitive advantage. Furthermore, decency helps keep our brand appropriate for all guests of all ages, which is once again very useful for us. We could reach a bunch of people. And then let's move on to our last aspect, which is quality. So having quality, is part of our top three aspects, and it's important because it helps keep our brand distinguishable from other competitors. We expect exceptional quality and have high quality standards in all aspects throughout our company, including your skills. Currently there is an organizational emphasis on quality and how it helps fulfill both strategies for competition and intensive growth. The strategy of competitiveness allows us to maintain our competitiveness in the target market by developing the products differently from others. And on the other hand, the strategies for growth focus on developing new products that suit the market trends in order to compete against large firms, like Sony Corporation or Universal Pictures. So an example of a quality aspect of organizational culture is reinforcing the entertainment services to be high quality inside Walt Disney parks and resorts. As mentioned, showing quality in your behaviors and work is important, and we continue to motivate everyone to continue to enhance your behaviors to be of highest excellence. This is displayed through your work and services and entertainment experience for a guest. So, as I mentioned, we will only be going over the first three aspects. We covered innovation, decency, and quality. Here, we like to say that we are successful because specifically of innovation, because it contributes to excellent business performance, decency, because we gain a cultural advantage of being family orientated, and then that strengthens our brand's popularity, and then quality, because we motivate everyone to output high quality, which translate into high quality products. Through these advantages of Walt Disney's company's culture, we can maintain behaviors for strategic success. So that concludes our presentation. If you have any questions or comments to be addressed, I will be sticking around for a moment. But if that is all, I look forward to working with you and seeing these aspects shine through you. Thank you. And before we go, this is a little quote from our friend Snow White. Thank you.